Hi, my name is Alice. My rum punch. You can find me at Miss_Wonderland. WOND3RLAND.
Can you give us the names of all these drinks you've got
So
here?
this is Puncho. This is a Portuguese drink, and then of course the lovely rum punch, but with special ingredients.
The thing, once you try it, you don't want to stop, but you gotta be careful with that because
It's strong.
Rating. What's the score? What's the score?
I'm gonna give it a 10.
That's more me. Serious business.
Oh no!
TJ, you're looking healthy, you know. You're looking healthy, my brother.
Yeah, TJ, you're looking healthy, you know.
DJ Scatter, come on, tell them. Come on, what genres are we doing today?
Bashment, dancehall, Afrobeat, I'm a piano,
Come on.
hip-hop, all the galleys are outside tonight, you understand?
We don't play no games.
That's your problem.
Come on.
Bless me, one ties make a pitch. I'm like jalopy. Touch the pussy like pipe me a chip. Slap up your body when you're riding my tip. Bless me.
Right, and listen, that's DJ Sketch. Make some noise for Sketch right now. Man like Sketch. But you know what I'm saying? We're on a TYTA ball party right now. And we got DJ Sketch to come on. Stop it, everybody! That's right. So listen, everybody downstairs. I want you coming upstairs right now. Right now. Your Scarter's not gonna play that until you come upstairs. You can bring your bottle upstairs. Come upstairs if you're downstairs, because we're about to get this party started. If you don't know, this boat was actually meant to leave way before, because you don't know how to make yourself on time, you have to delay it. But listen, I want everybody upstairs right now. I want upstairs to be packed. We got a cameraman coming around. We got a videographer coming around. So if you don't want to be on camera, you're going to be on camera anyway. Yes. I just want to know where everybody's from. Anyone from North London in the building? No? Anyone from West London in the building? Okay. Anyone from East London in the building? No East Londoners. Anyone from South London in the building? Listen. Alright, listen. On the count of 3, I want you to shout out where you're from. What country you're from. I want you to shout out what country you're from. On 1, 2, 3. I stop. I think I heard Nigeria. Or did I hear Jamaica? Yes? I Scatter, you got the rhythms right now. Everybody when you're upstairs. Scar's gonna play some Afro beats. Don't worry, Afro beats ain't gonna run too long. But we're gonna play bangers only. Right. Let's fight.